Moroto yotigira ayuthi ni KURUMIIRA Mitugo gikundi kimwe kia ayuthi IGEMBE ikitumiritie kurutana ayuthi ora baumba guchukiria uturone kuringana na Hamilton Mugambi uria ni mukarigiti wa ugite ayuthi ni bagwite ya Mitugo nene ndi ibotonya Mitugo ne mithuku na kwina obotu bokubaritana manto ya meya Nicholas Chabari nithirite akiara na iria nabo na utwachio
gikundi kia MYF Kiombe ki gututethe ki ku set our mind na ko lelinto differently so tuareto kurutana nyama anto ya situation ya to ukwamira
umaniana mithangiko na mitangatango irambe ombethiba kurukira magitani mama ikio nonto gikundi kimwe gitagia kithirikari gikomekana ta Meru Youth Fellowship kirutaniretie nikenda kithinambe na kurutana ambe ombethe baba mona manto megie mitugo miega na kinya gutigira iba kuthugania mathugania amega maramomba kubatwikithia anto bega baru
tuithe tukona Meru County especially IGEMBE North when issues and cases in bingi mnosia 1 teenage pregnancies. In the last 18 months, we over 3,000 cases. Like CIT mentioned in IGEMBE North. Then thing number 2, we high cases of drug and substance abuse. BANGI The next thing, we high cases of school dropout. Skuru. Na even watoto group ya MYF tunaona it is the right thing to do. Ko step forward to eba tuengwa na tukaritana our friends, our brothers and sisters, our little sisters and our little brothers kuba equip na the right mindset.
We talk about youth but tutela tuna mechanism yo tomba kueleza youth imbivyo na tomba kukumba kwebela ke challenge ira omba kuthira ke encounter in life na tomba kuthira akista imili kana kuthira resilient ke mantu yara yondo omba kuthira ke thacia. So this group it is doing a lot of activities. Now this is one of them. Tumbita kuthira tugeleta youth together, especially the holidays here school irandaya. We put them together so that we can engage them in the right decisions and the right mindset, so that kinyadira pakomboso kasukuru bagedre ibarari na life skill la barombere kuthoma kinyadira ba in holiday.
Ane utoritana otomba kubanga akili cietu omba kwithira nyawe thote na ngo yokurita no wibwithie ontoboka na brabonge ne ko empower youth
to focus na mantu yara yembereto itukumakania o present ikari like present no to thro tutena fees no thro tutena intobieto na mantu ya maingi mno tuketha tutena yo lakini no to focus ite intobibi embereto tubatiri kuthwani ya no to for example ukathiria skuru utebatiri kuthwani like ambo yo endo batiri kuthwania inde ndo yo what next ubatiri kuthiria skuru no kathwani after kuthiria skuru maybe form 4 na toka bwethe next
bakiyo chagia kanya gaka na abarirotha BARIUGA ambe ombethe bakare kuthina na kumenyerwo na kuthururanirwa bwega bomba kwithirwo bakiura abaingi emono
ki generation yetu ina yotha youth tuke kwithira musiari thirikari na institute ki mantu ya youth ate yukia kanya kala ki yotha we have a high number of moral integration and nenya kuthuka kwa na betu kwa baingi tukona thai kinya suicide ciana kunywa ndawa cia mbogita kwithira twina nonto na area yetu ya IGEMBE North kutwika kwina high number of teenage pregnancies. I think that is a crisis if not mitigated irenda kuita all over the world, the country na together to lose a generation.
Even on to Korea, the government na leaders veto, it is the right thing to partner na groups such as MYF kenda turitana na mindset education. Nonto the problem kato tibu the nete yo okay akona tu for example mwana aurete kana ni skuru the nebo tibu teo they never tibu kind of the wrong mindset from the heart. So what MYF does keritana the right mindset bakanjeri kuolele life differently. So imanisha wetu kia keep the youth betu na the right mindset bakama from victims banjeri kwa victors. So challenge yetu nene ki leaders betu mama safi women rep other leaders, let us have such forums.
IGEMBE North Betan Class Chabari.